Welcome back to Mad News. So as you know, every week I cover what happened exactly in crypto worlds and what are the latest news. So let's get into it. Huobi appears to have suspended mainland Chinese new users, so there is a China mainland ban. And what happened is that the option of mainland China and country region selection of crypto exchange Huobi, new user registration page has been disappeared following China's announcement of tougher measure on crypto trading on Friday. So it looks like China is planning to ban all cryptocurrencies within mainland. And because of it, we see obviously the crypto prices going actually down at some point and up. So we see a huge fluctuation as users are actually not sure which direction it's going to go. Following it, I found a nice article which actually states that waste from one Bitcoin transaction is like binning two iPhones. And this is what actually the study shows, that a single Bitcoin transaction generates the same amount of electronic waste as throwing two iPhones in the bin. And this is according to new analysis by economists from the Dutch Central Bank and MIT. So as you can see, not really carbon neutral, not really ecologic. So probably it's a good thinking to look at other coins which are actually more ecologic. Also a bit of a strange news. Dolce & Gabbana wants to crown Dogecoin fan Elon Musk as king of crypto. What's that about? So, Italian fashion house Dolce & Gabbana has suggested that Tesla CEO Elon Musk should be anointed as the king of crypto if he ends up owning the Doge crown. And they actually post a Twitter. Legend has it that a special collector that owns the Doge crown will thereafter be anointed a king of crypto. And the piece of jewelry is a part of the fashion giant's first collection of non-fungible tokens that was launched in partnership with Polygon-based digital token marketplace UNXD earlier this month. And the Doge crown, which features 7 blue sapphires and 142 diamonds, was designed by none other than Domenico Dolce and Stefano Gabbana themselves. The crown has nothing to do with meme cryptocurrency or its most famous cheerleaders, since it was named after the former title of the Supreme Authority of Venice. The buyer will get 4K rendered animation and 4K rendered stills of the item as well as the physical version. The current bid is $500,000, which was placed by user Edsmats and appears to be just pocket change for Musk. The action is ending in 3 days and 21 hours, so we'll see what happens. Who will get crowned the king of crypto? And other news from United Arab Emirates, they authorized sign agreement to support crypto trading. And crypto adoption in the Middle East is higher than it has ever been, and the regulatory frameworks to support crypto-related financial services are growing. The United Arab Emirates Securities and Commodities Authority has signed an agreement with the Dubai World Trade Center Authority, and this agreement aims to support the regulation of trading cryptocurrencies and Emirates' new agency WAM, and reported this on Wednesday. So this is a great news for, I think, everyone in crypto, especially United Arab Emirates, because it will bring a lot of money to the pool of cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, Ripple, Bhutan to pilot digital currency with Ripple Tech. And the Central Bank of Bhutan is to use a Ripple CBDC private ledger to pilot a central bank digital currency. Building atop its current payment infrastructure, the Royal Monetary Authority will pilot retail, cross-border and wholesale payment use cases for a digital nunchurum in phases using Ripple's blockchain technology. So as you can see, banks are actually implementing those technology into it. I think it's a big thing for Ripple, and I have a feeling that it will probably impact the price within the next few months as well. Looking that Central Bank of Bhutan will use it to pilot that central currency. But following altcoins, Cardano will soon have its first stablecoin. And software development company COTI announced a few hours ago that the issuance of the first stablecoin designed to run on Cardano. And the news first was revealed by Charles Hoskinson, the leader of Cardano and the CEO of the group. The digit stablecoin will be issued on Cardano and will promote the growth on its nascent ecosystem, especially now that the blockchain is beginning to support smart contracts and markets have a strong expectation and about the possible development of DeFi platforms on the blockchain that is touted as the future Ethereum killer. So This is something which I think for Cardano might be a great thing going forward. But following Cardano, they're also planning to power a humanoid robot, nurse named Grace. And the Cardano blockchain has been chosen for powering the artificial intelligence models of a humanoid robot called Grace. Grace, who is fluent in English and Korean, was designed by Awakening Health and Singularity Net and can be commercially applied both in eldercare and general healthcare, given the eldercare robotic industry has a huge boost due to the pandemic. Demand is not an issue. And equipped with powerful AI, Grace is capable of simulating 48 facial muscles, which allows it to have a meaningful social interaction with the patient. To be honest, this will be a drastic change, and I think this is the news obviously following with the Tesla robot, and what exactly they announced. We see, I have a feeling, over the next few months, even more robotics and AI coming into place, as I see more of the companies are actually feeling bold and feeling, strong about releasing what they're working for, kind of for the last years. Will we see another Terminator? I really hope not. Another news from social media, Twitter launches crypto tipping for all users. So Bitcoin tips are now available to send through the Lightning Network using the Strike app or by adding a BTC address directly to one's profile. And Twitter will be enabling the cryptocurrency option for tipping jar and allowing any user to pay through the platform. And this one, I think, is bringing a big kind of incentive for Twitter and their ecosystem in general. And one of the last news, announcing Arshan Phantom NFT marketplace. So there is a new NFT marketplace coming soon, which already is supporting MetaMask and Coinbase wallet integration. So this is something which I think for everyone who's a fan of NFT will really appreciate. This is it from me. Thanks a lot for watching Mad News, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.